Johnny, we're getting it done, we're getting it delivered. Nice mini ATVs. There. This is the silver gray one. This is the bigger one. This is the tractor off-road. Over here. Tracker off-road 450. Another tracker off-road. Same thing. Different color. This one's the tracker off-road 2-seater. And tracker off-road is the 4-seater. Let's take it for a spin. Johnny, always getting it done, always getting it delivered. And we're doing hunting and fishing this week. All these episodes, hunting and fishing. Hunting and fishing. You are next to drive this, so get in the seat and take it for a spin. Johnny always gets it done, and Johnny always gets it delivered.